If you've ever wondered how to view your follower list on Twitter, now known as X, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it on desktop in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to check who is following you, review new followers, or just keep an eye on your account growth, this is a handy feature every X user should know. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your X account on the desktop website. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left sidebar menu. This is where X keeps most of the main navigation options, so take a moment to locate it. Next, click on Profile in the left sidebar. This will take you straight to your own profile page, where you can see your posts, profile picture, bio, and account stats. Right under your profile information, you'll see counts for things like following and followers. These numbers give you a quick overview of your audience. Now here's the important part. Click the followers count below your profile information. When you do that, X will open a full list of the accounts that follow you. This is your follower list, and it includes both recent and older followers depending on how many people are following you. Once the list opens, you can scroll through it to see more followers. If your account has a lot of followers, X may load them gradually as you keep scrolling. You can review usernames, profile photos, and account details right from this screen. This makes it easy to identify friends, customers, creators, or anyone else who has followed your account. If you're using this for creator analytics, customer engagement, or just personal curiosity, this page is the fastest way to check your follower list without needing any extra tools. It's simple, direct, and built right into Surge, and that's it. You now know how to view your follower list on Twitter or X using the desktop website. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.